Confection Couture's Jack-o'-lantern cookie cutter and stencil set go together perfectly. To airbrush your iced cookies, load the pumpkin stencil into the Air Genie with a quadrant masking tool. Line the pumpkin up with the cookie and place cookie magnets around the border to hold the stencil details flat. Plug in your Air Genie and load it with orange Ameramist food coloring. Adjust the airflow while testing the color on a piece of paper towel. Use a chopstick to hold the stencil flat to the cookie's surface as you gradually build the color. Hold the airbrush 3 to 4 inches above the stencil while overlapping and building the color. Aim the airbrush straight down and don't let the liquid color bead up on the surface. Remove the magnets and lift off the stencil genie. Airbrush the first set of pumpkins, then reposition the stencil for the next shape. Airbrush each cookie, remove the cookie magnets, and set the stencil back up until all the pumpkins are orange. Empty out the airbrush and load with green Ameramist food coloring for the stem. Simply line the stencil back up before precisely airbrushing the top of each pumpkin. Again, line the stencil back up with the orange to airbrush the green. To stencil the jack-o'-lantern face, rinse out the airbrush and load it with black Ameramist food coloring. Make sure the food coloring is not beading up on the cookie surface or it might run. Once done, remove the cookie magnets and lift off the stencil genie. Each jack-o'-lantern has its own face to stencil, but you may want a few plain pumpkins to go along with them. Visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com to browse our other spooky Halloween cookie cutters and stencils.